Hello everyone, welcome to a Stellar Session video. My name is Fernando Ponte. I'm a lead consultant at Stellar Consulting Group. We are a New Zealand-based data and analytics company. On this quick session, I'm going to talk a little bit about building a Data Mart using Oracle Application Express, not the Analytics Cloud, and the Autonomous Database. The main audience for this one is if you are a BI manager or a developer that you have Oracle database in your company and you're looking to build a quick prototype for report solution. And instead of having files around the business, you want to centralize your reporting solution in one place. And that's the objective with the Application Express or Oracle Apex. For this report, or for this prototype, I'm just going to use a data set from the World Health Organization. So here I am on my account. I'm going to now go to my autonomous data warehouse. I already have a data warehouse database running, an autonomous data warehouse database running at the Oracle Cloud. I'm going to navigate to my console. My database is running. I'm going to go to the service console of the database. I'll just use the Oracle Autonomous Database, the data warehouse version, and the Oracle Apex, as you can see in the development part from the console of the database. I have SQL Developer here and Oracle Apex. I'm going to open both of them. As you can see then, I'm going to log in on my Application Express. And I've also already logged on my SQL Developer Web, where I have my database, and I have already some tables here. So from the Oracle Apex console, as you can see, I'm going to start and build a new application. So I'm just going to create a new application from a file. As I mentioned before, I'm going to use my data set from the World Health Organization. And this data set is the life expectancy at birth. So I'll just select the file. The Oracle Apex will start a quick wizard to go through the process of creating the application. First wizard, just need to establish a new table name to define and import the data, and then it can keep going. So on this one, I'll just define a table. I'm going to call with just a specific a name, any name, or you can be more meaningful in the name. By default, the wizard will create an error table if the files didn't import correctly. You can also do some configuration with the file and do more specific changes and transformations to the data that is coming in the file. Through the configuration options, you can save the changes and load the data. Table was created and all the rows from the file were imported. Let's just have a look on the SQL Developer Web. The table should be there under the Stellar Demo 1. So just a quick refresh here. There is my table. If I look at the data, just apply, quick select, and there we are. Going back to Apex, I'll just then create the application. And here we are with some additional information that can be done when we create the application. You can add pages, you can remove pages, you can add features or remove features, and also establish different settings to your new application. From adding pages, there are all different types of interactive reporting, interactive grid, calendar, and all the other information that is necessary to create a good application. In my case here, I'm just going to remove the home page. I want the page to the application for the user when he logs in to go straight to the dashboard. So the dashboard will be my home page. The authentication to my page will be through the Oracle the Application Express accounts, but I also possible to create database accounts to be used to authenticate If I'm happy with the setting, it'll just create the application. There we are. So starting up with an application, if I just run it, I will already be able to log in. I have a previous user defined, so just to speed up things, I can show you. So this is my user here. Prepare to sign in. And the page will open. Basically at the beginning, Oracle Apex just build a standard report, which is just select count from the database with some of the attributes that exist there, as you can see. And this is how we're going to tweak them. So I'm going to change one of the dashboards, one of the graphics here, and edit for us. To do that, I'll just go back to the application builder, go to my dashboard, to the page editor. And here we are in the page editor. At the beginning, it can be a little bit confusing, but you get the grip pretty fast. So this is the page, this is the content body. We can see the 4 charts here, which are those charts in the page. And I can go to the first one and see the attributes that I have of the graphic. It's a type of a chart and the series and the attributes that exist there. On this one. And also I can see then the code that we have here, the SQL query. I'm just gonna quick change the query to have a better understanding. So copying the code from here, I'm gonna paste on the SQL developer on this one, just do some quick changes. And I'll have a different query here that is from a previous test that I was doing. I'll just change the object. And here we are. Just have a quick look on the data that I will get. There we have the results. And I'm going to copy this query here, substitute in my page that I have. Once I do that, the column mapping here on the Apex will ask me to just define the new objects. So I'm just going to pick up gender and the average ones. Those are the values. If I do a quick save here and I go back to my dashboard, just a quick refresh will already change the results. Then I can do also some other tweaks on this one. And also if you're pointing to live data, it's quite interesting to have that you have the option to set a time for the database to the graphic to go and refresh from the source and to refresh to the source. So the attributes here, if I go down, the automatic refresh, you can set up, refresh every 10 seconds. You can save that one. Let me just do a quick, and then I just change the first graphic in my graph in my dashboard. It's pretty nice, easy to do. I already have with the data that I was using my initial graphic, and also I can change all the other ones. To the end, I can have something pretty similar to the following. Can have at the end something pretty similar to this. So based in one single file, I'm already able to create a quick report, quick dashboard to show the data to my users. I can then create users in the Oracle Apex and the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, make them available, and just share the link for this dashboard. And also have other possibilities with the Oracle Apex and in terms of reporting and building a quick data mart, like you can have actions and direct with clicks and different actions within your graphics to show data, even including the possibility to change data. So it's also possible to change data. Maybe it's not necessary for a data mart, but you can create then what if analysis, for example, create inputs to enable your users to change parameters and see, like, for example, if my sales go up 10% or go down 10%, and create scenarios on those ones. It's a pretty powerful tool. It's available. If you have Oracle database now, you have Oracle Apex for free. It's a tool. It's a rapid development tool. It's been in the market for more than 20 years, probably, and it's pretty cool. If you want more information, have a look. Go to the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, create your free tier environment, and start playing with Oracle Apex and Oracle Autonomous Database, and Data Warehouse, and the transaction processing. If you want more information about data and analytics and how it can help your company, just remember to have a contact and have a chat with us. Thanks for listening to this stellar session.